It's literally raining. If you could not hear it, it's literally raining. I forgot to show you guys. Oh my goodness. Like, you can't see it, but like, it's raining so hard. Oh my gosh. It's like literally. But oh my goodness, did you just hear that? It's literally raining so hard. Yeah, look at that. And it's going down the street. Oh my goodness. I'm literally got to take my socks off and show you this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's like raining so hard. Ah! Okay, no. Like, seriously. Let's get down here. Oh my gosh. It's so, like, wet. Oh, I forgot. We can't get this wet. Okay, so, like, literally, like, I'll go down to about this stuff, and that's all we can go. So, let's literally look at that. It's, like, literally going down. Like, it's so, like, so I will see you guys, like in another video. I'm gonna make it, like, right after this. Oh my gosh, guys, the clouds are moving so fast. I don't know if you can see. I'm not gonna move it, but, like, yeah, like, that cloud went all the way to over here to here. It's moving so fast. Oh my gosh, but it is raining. Look at this. Look at this. So I'm gonna make a video out here. I'll tell you just a little sneak peek of what I'm gonna be doing. You should actually go check out that video because it's gonna be cool. And a video that I posted, I think, this week. I haven't edited it yet, so don't check that one out. It's on September, but this is on October 1st. I'm so excited for Halloween. So I'm gonna be doing a little scratch thing, and my socks are still gonna be off. So bye. It is literally raining. Bye. So wait. I'm not gonna give you something. What I'm gonna be doing is episode. I'm gonna start an episode. So I'm gonna be this girl who's like, fine, I'm going outside to recess even though it's raining. I don't care. I can still play in the rain. And then she forgets that she doesn't have an umbrella. And then she's like, okay, that's the sneak peek. Really? Bye.